My two sunbirds are so very happy to get a flowering plant there hung on their regular spot where they rest and dance and do all sort of things. See, they have opened the flower. See, half opened flower. It has been uh, uh, it has been opened, in fact, forcibly by these two fellows. Even before the flower has bloomed, see, that's what I wanted to capture. Even the old flower, the one that is almost about to fall off. This is superb. I am going to give you many more babies, don't worry. I'll give you a very large bush of the flowers. If you're at all you're interested in that, I'll give you the pot of the. In fact, this particular pot is having 4 colors now. So they are going to do the cross pollination business free of cost, and they will also enjoy those flowers having their at their very favorite spot at my window. This is the only place wherein I get to see all the birds. They in fact visit my window for several reasons. Browse the channel birds of my window. That's the list generated by me on my channel. Keep visiting if you want to have such cute clips of the birds along with many more uh, content that may not be of your interest though. If you are interested in bird watching, you can visit my channel. That's it for this day. Have a nice day.